Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing extremely well. So today we are going to discuss another interesting question on the GenericTree data. Are trees similar in shape or not? So let's try to understand what is the problem statement. So in this question we are provided with two generic trees. Let me write each and every one by one. So assuming this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is our first generic tree. Let me take the another generic tree like this: A, B, C, D, E and F, G and H, I and J. So these are the two generic trees. We need to tell that whether both of the trees are similar or not. Now let's talk about the condition for the similarity. Okay, two trees are similar cannot be determined by whether both of the two trees have the same data or not. The two trees are similar only when the each node of the first generic tree have the same number of children to the corresponding node into the second generic tree. Let's try to understand what I have said now, what I said right now. Okay, so means each node of the first generic tree have the same number of children. Like the one has the 3 children, which is has the same number of children, that is same as the corresponding node in the second binary tree, that is the same with the A. Okay, so here you can see that 1 and A have the 3 children that are same. Similarly 2 and B have the same number of children, that is 5, 6, A and F. So similarly we need to check it for each and every node. Okay, and the moment when the two nodes don't have the same number of children, that moment we need to return the false. So pause this video right now, try to solve it by yourself, and after that we will discuss its solution approach. uh, I know, I hope you have tried it out by yourself. Let's try to understand what is the solution approach for this question. As I told you during the question explanation, that two trees are similar only when both of the trees have each node have the same number of children. Means when each node of the first tree have the same number of children to the node of the corresponding node of the second tree. That is when the number of children for the 1 and A are similar. So here you can see it has three children. Both of the node have the 3 children, but we don't need only compare to the first node, we compare it for each and every node. So here we compare its children also. So we compare 2 with 3 and 4. We compare whether 2 and B have the same number of children. So here you can see both have the 2. So we compare 3 and C have the same number of children, both have 2. So we compare 4 and D and both have the 2. Okay, two number of children. So similarly we do it for 5E, 6F, 7G, 8H, 9D, GHI, yeah, 9I and 10J. Okay, so let's try to code, and then we analyze that how our code will help us to achieve our goal. So we are going to write code on the Pepcoding portal. Yeah, so here at first we check that whether the node that we have right now have the same number of children, and one dot children dot size is same as the and two or children dot size. If they have the same, we need to return true, but I am taking the opposite case, that if both of the children don't have the same number of children, so in that case I will return false. Okay, now we need to check it for each and every node, means each and every children of each and every node. So we are going to check for the n1 children whether the children have the same number of children. So for that we need to iterate over the children list. Okay, I is less than n1, so children dot size I plus plus. Okay, so let me take node c1 equals to n1 dot children dot get I. Similarly node c2 n2 dot children dot get I. Okay, so here I get the childrens of both of the nodes. Okay, So let me check whether if areSimilar of C1 and C2. Okay, let me pass it to the recursively to that function, and I'm checking that whether if I get false as a return type from this function, in that case I need to return false, otherwise I will return true. Okay, let's try to analyze how this code is working. Before that, let's try to run it. Yeah, so we get a small compilation error. It is saying that child, okay, we have wrongly written the children's spelling. child actually it is. So it is accepted. Let's try to submit it. It is accepted. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's take this code and try to analyze how this code is working on our Euler. Okay, let me erase some part of. Okay, and let me take this code here. Okay, here. So how my code is going to run is, so it start iterating from the first node. Start iterating from the first, and here from A. So here at first it check whether A and one node, there is a first node, have the same number of children node. So here you can see it has 3 children, it has 3 children, it keep on processing. Okay, so it moved to the 3 2, here it moved to the B. It will check whether 2 and B have the same number of children or not. So here both have the same number of children, it keep on moving, and it also keep on moving to F and E. So here it will check whether both of the nodes have the same number of children or not. You can see here also it will keep on moving just because this case is true. So after that it check for 6, check for F. After checking for F, it moved to 3, it moved to C. Why it is moving to 3? Just because sorry, just because from this case it get a value true. Okay, it get a value true just because here the nodes, each and every node have the same number of children to their corresponding nodes in the other GenericTree. So it need to check for each and every children. So now it is, this loop is working and it will check for each and every children. So the 3 get compared with this C. Now after that 7 compared with 7 with G, 8 get compared with H. Now after that the Euler reaches to the 4, and it compares whether 4 and D have the same number of children. After comparing 4, it checked 9 and I, 10 and J. Okay, so if, as you can see here, both of the nodes have the, both of the trees have the same number of children, and each and every node also have the same number of children. So it is so both, we can say that both of the trees are similar. Let me take another case to explain it. Okay, so what will happen if this node is not present in the second tree? So what will happen, the Euler will start iterating from here. It will compare 1 with A, it will compare 2 with B, and it reaches to the 5, compare 5 with E. Okay, now after comparing 5 for 5, so okay, it will not reaches to the 5 even. Okay, before reaching to the 5, when it reaches to the 2, it will check that whether 2 and B have the same number of children or not, and it comes to know no, that 2 have 2 children and B have only 1 children. So you can see this will case return the false, and after returning false, this condition get executed. It will check that no, this case get false. Okay, it will not move further. This the other condition will not get executed. It just return false from the tree, from the function, and our other conditions or our other nodes will not get even executed. Okay, so I hope you get the solution. If you like this content, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.